Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. I have discussed up to the question number 190. I was discussing selected questions from competitive examinations like IIT, medical. Now I will continue from the question number 191. If the equivalent weight of a trivalent metal is 32.7, the molecular weight of its chloride is: first option 68.2, second option 103.7, third option 204.6, fourth option 32.7. One more time, I am telling the question. If the equivalent weight of a trivalent metal is 32.7, the molecular weight of its chloride is: first option 68.2, second option 103.7, third option 204.6, fourth option 32.7. Just you think this question, you can solve it within 1 minute. Okay, just you think. Okay. Now I am giving a hint. Metal chloride will be MCl3. Molecular weight formula you know. Molecular weight is equal to atomic weight of M plus 3 into 35.5. That is the molecular weight of MCl3. Atomic weight of metal plus 3 into 35.5. Hence you can write equivalent weight of M into valency of M, because atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. Hence in the place of atomic weight of M, you can write equivalent weight of M into valency of M plus 3 into 35.5 means 106.5. Then now valency is given 32.7. Then 32.7 into 3. 32.7 into 3 plus 106.5. That is equal to 98.1 plus 106.5. That is equal to 204 into 0.6. Okay. Actually, you have to calculate molecular weight of its chloride. Then molecular weight of its chloride will be MCl3. Then M, atomic weight of M plus Cl3 means 3 into 35.5. That is the molecular weight. But atomic weight is equal to, you know, that equivalent weight into valency. Then the place of atomic weight you write equivalent weight into valency of M. And 3 into 35.5, that is the 106.5. Then equivalent weight is given, that is a trivalent metal. Hence valency is 3 and equivalent weight is 32.7. Correct? Then in the place of equivalent weight you write 32.7. Valency is 3 because it is a trivalent. Then 32.7 into 3 plus 106.5. Just to add all. 32.7 into 3 means 98.1 plus 106.5, that is equal to 204.6, 204.6. Okay, and correct option is third option, 204, 204.6. Hence correct answer is option C. This question was asked in MSET examination. Now next question I am telling you, question number 192. The simplest formula of a compound containing 50% element of X, its atomic mass is given 10, and 50% of element Y, its atomic mass is given 20. Okay, then you have to write the formulas. The simplest formula you have to write. The simplest formula of a compound containing 50% of element X and 50% element of Y is first option XY, second option X2Y, third option XY3, fourth option X2Y3. Again I am reading the question one more time. The simplest formula of a compound containing 50% of element X, its atomic weight is given 10, and 50% element of Y, its atomic weight is 20. Then what is the simplest formula? First option XY, capital X and Y, XY, second X2Y, third XY3, fourth X2Y3. Okay, this question is also easy. Okay, you can solve it within 1 minute. Okay, now we think. Now I am giving you a hint. How will you solve? See, element X, its percentage is 50% and Y percentage is also 50%. Atomic weight is given for X 10 and for Y it is 20. Then percentage atomic weight you can calculate very easily. For X, 50 divided by 10, that is equal to 5, and for Y, 50 divided by 20, because atomic weight is 20, then 50 divided by 20, that is equal to 2.5. Then this is the atomic weight, percentage atomic weight you have calculated, 5 and 2.5. Now convert in the ratio, whole ratio, 5 and 2.5. It means 2:1. X is 2 and Y is 1, because X is percentage of atomic weight calculated 5 and for Y it is 2.5. Then ratio will be 2:5, means X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 1. Hence the simplest formula will be X2Y. Hence option B is correct. This question was asked in Roorkee examination. Roorkee. Now next question 193 I am telling you. If Na is a Avogadro number, then number of valence electrons in 4.2 gram of nitride ions means N3 minus. N3 minus. First question I am reading again. If Na is Avogadro number, Na, capital Na. If Na is Avogadro number, then number of valence electrons in 4.2 gram of nitride ion means N3 minus. The N3 minus is, first option is 2.4 Na means Avogadro number. Second 4.2 Na. Third 1.6 Na. Fourth 3.2 Na. Just to solve, you can solve it very easily. Okay. Now you think. Now I am giving you hint. 4.2 gram of nitride means N3 minus ions means what? Nitrogen atomic mass is 14. Then 4.2 gram means what? How many mole? You convert it into mole. 4.2 gram of nitride, that is nitrogen. N3 minus is there. Then 4 gram means how many moles? 4.2 gram means 4.2 divided by 14 mole. That is a 0.3 mole. Then in 1 mole, Avogadro number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 means Na. Hence in 0.3 mole how much? Just to multiply means correct option will be how much? These things. Answer, before answer again you have to think, because 3 minus is there. You have electron you have to find out. Then number of moles is 0.3. 0.3 mole means 0.3 into Na ions. Total number of ions is equal to 0.3 into Na ions. Correct? Then now here this 0.3 into Na ions. Then 3 minus is there. Then that is the 3 electron it has taken. And in nitrogen outermost electron, how many outermost orbit, how many electrons are there? 5 electrons. Valence electron is 5 and 3 electron has taken, 3 minus, then 8. Then in 1 mole 8 electron is there. Then in 0.3 mole how much? Just to multiply 8 into 0.3. Correct? Then correct answer will be 8 into 0.3 Na Avogadro number, because in 0.3 mole means 0.3 into Avogadro number Na, 0.3 into Na. Correct? Total number of ions, this number of ions. Then in 1 ion 8 electrons are there, 5 plus 3, and total it will be 8 into 0.3 Na means 2.4. 8 into 0.3 means 2.4 Na, because each ion contains 8 valence electron, total 5 plus 3. Hence correct answer is 2.4 Na. Now next question I am telling you. In the final expression 29.2, actually this question 193 what I discussed now, that question was asked in medical examination, CBSE PMT. Okay. Now next question 194 I am telling you. In the final answer of the expression 29.2 minus 20.2 in one bracket, in other bracket 1.79 into 10 to the power 5, down is 1.37. Okay, means here that in the numerator 29.2 minus 20.2 in one bracket, in other bracket 1.79 into 10 to the power 5 divided by, in denominator, 1.37. The number of significant figure is, you have to tell the number of significant figure in this expression, means 29.2 minus 20.2 in one bracket into, in other bracket 1.79 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, then and divided by, means in denominator 1.37. The number of significant figure is, first option is 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. Okay, just to again option I am telling you, first option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. Expression I am telling you again, 29.2 minus 20.2 into in bracket you can write 1.79 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 1.37. You have to tell significant number of significant figure. Okay, just to think, easily you can solve. Here I am giving you hint. 29.2 minus 20.2, that is 9. Okay, 9. Then 9 into 1.79 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 1.37. You have to tell significant number. Then least precise term, that is the 9.0, has only two significant figure, 9.0, 9 and 0. The least precise term 9.0 has only two significant figures. Hence final answer will have two significant figures only. Correct? Hence correct answer is option B, 2. This question was asked in CBSE medical examination, PMT. Now next question I am telling you 195. Question number 195. Two containers P and Q of equal volume, 1 liter each, contain 6 gram of oxygen, means O2, and SO2 respectively at 300 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. Then 4 option is given. First option is number of molecules in P is less than that in Q. And option B, number of molecules in Q is less than that in P. Third option, number of molecules of P and Q are same. Fourth option, either A or B. Again one more time question I am reading. Two containers P and Q of equal volume, 1 liter each, contain 6 gram of O2 and SO2 respectively, means both container has 6 gram. In P 6 gram O2 and in Q 6 gram SO2. Separately it is kept. First container P, second container Q, both have 1 liter and contain 6 gram of O2 and SO2 respectively at 300 K and 1 atmosphere. Then now we have to tell first option, number of molecules in P is less than that in Q. Second, number of moles of Q is less than in P. Third option, number of molecules in P and Q are same. And fourth option, either A or B. Okay, this is also direct question answer is there, you can do, no problem at all, just to think. Here I am giving you hint now. 6 gram O2 means how many mole? Divide by its molecular weight, means 32. Oxygen, then 6 by 32 means oxygen will be, its mole will be 6 divided 32 mole. And for SO2, 6 gram SO2 means how many moles? 6 by 64 mole. Then which one is more? Oxygen is more, 6 by 32 and SO2 is 6 by 64, hence it is less. As number of moles of SO2 is less, so the number of molecules will also be less, means SO2 will be less, correct. In Q SO2 was kept, hence Q will have less number of molecules and P has more molecules, okay. Hence correct option is B, number of molecules in Q is less than that in P, okay, because first option is the number of molecules of P is less than that in Q, that is wrong. This is correct, number of molecules of Q is less than that in P, because at same condition both are kept. Then decision you have to take according to the molecular mass. Molecular mass will decide. Then oxygen has a less molecular mass, 32. Sulfur dioxide, that is a 64. SO2, 32 plus 32, 64. Hence number of molecules will be, in Q it will be less. SO2 will have less number of molecule. Hence option B is correct. This question was asked in Haryana CEET examination. Okay, Haryana CEET examination. Now next question I am telling you, question number 196. 1 Fermi is direct question. 1 Fermi is, now you think direct. Then here one question number is 196, I told you. 1 Fermi I have already discussed. Just to remember, 1 Fermi means 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter. Remember always, 1 Fermi means 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter. This question is also asked in Haryana CEET exam. Now next question I am telling you, in a chemical reaction, question number 197. In a chemical reaction is given K2Cr2O7 plus XH2SO4 plus YSO2. The value of X, Y, Z are. Actually it is an incomplete question. Full reaction is not given. Okay. K2Cr2O7 plus XH2SO4 plus YSO2. Product is not given. I think it is incomplete question. Z value is not given. XY is there. Reactant side K2Cr2O7 plus XH2SO4 plus YSO2. Product they have not mentioned, but Z they are asking, but Z they have not written which product is Z, but they are asking the value of X, Y, Z. Okay, coefficient they are asking. X, Y is in the reactant side, then Z will be obviously in the product side. Then what is the value of X, Y, Z? You have to tell. Then here I am telling you that what will be the product. Product, actually question is very tricky. You have to write the product. Reactant they have given. In question only reactant they have given. Product you have to write. And then you have to answer. Okay. Then here I am telling you that K2Cr2O7 plus XH2SO4 plus YSO2. Then it's a product. I am telling you that its a reaction will be K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4. Main reaction will be with H2SO4. Then K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4. It will give 4 products. What are that product? Then product will be K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 whole 3 plus 4H2O plus 3O. Okay. Then here what will happen, that this 3O, it will give 3O, nascent oxygen. Then this oxygen actually, it will react with the SO2. Question reactant was 3 reactant was there, K2Cr2O7 plus XH2SO4 plus YSO2. Then first K2Cr2O7 and H2SO4 both will react. Then it will give oxygen, nascent oxygen, 3 atom it will give. That will react with YSO2. That will react with YSO2 or SO2, you can tell. In the presence of water it will react. In the presence of water. Then it will give sulfuric acid. It will produce sulfuric acid. Okay. Then now you have to cancel this nascent oxygen, you have to cancel. Means 2 reaction is there. First reaction with K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4. It is giving K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 whole 3 plus 4H2O plus 3O, nascent oxygen. This is the first reaction. Second reaction, this nascent oxygen reacts with SO2 in presence of water. Then it will give H2SO4. Then to cancel this nascent oxygen, you have to multiply by 3. Whole reaction you have to multiply by 3, means second reaction. Then you will get K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 plus 3SO2. After that, product will be K2SO4, Cr2SO4 plus H2O. Then here you can see that coefficient, if you will see, then K2SO4 only 1 molecule is there. H2SO4 only 1 molecule is there. SO2 3 molecule is coming. SO2 3 molecule is coming. Means Y is equal to, you got 3 and H2SO4 is 1 molecule. It means X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Then now what will be the you can say Z. What will be? Then Z will be Z will be 1. Z will be 1. How? Then reaction you have to see. Okay. Z, because in product all products are only one molecule all. K2, that is the K2SO4, only one K2SO4, only one Cr2SO4 whole 3 and one H2O. Then that's why Z they have not given, because Z, any product you can consider as Z. All have only one. All coefficients are 1. All 3 products have only 1 coefficient. Then Z is in the product, because XY is the reactant and Z they have not given. It means it is in product side. Then product side all products have 1 only. Hence correct answer will be 1, 3, 1. 1 is for H2SO4, 3 is for SO2, and again for Z, which is not mentioned, that is for product. Then all products have only 1 coefficient. Hence correct answer will be 1, 3, 1. And the values of X, Y, Z are 1, 3, 1. Option A is very good question. and it was asked in BHU. In BHU exam it was asked. Now one more question I want to discuss. The hydrogen phosphate of certain metal has a formula MHPO4. MHPO4. The formula of metal chloride would be: first option MCl, second option MCl2, third option M2Cl2, fourth option MCl3. Again one more time, I am reading the question. The hydrogen phosphate of certain metal has formula MHPO4. The formula of metal chloride would be: first MCl, second MCl2, third M2Cl2, fourth MCl3. M means metal. Now you think, I think you can answer easily. Just to think. Now I am explaining. MHPO4 shows that valency of M is +2, because HPO4, what will be the valency of HPO4? Then HPO4 valency is -2, then M will be +2. See, PO4 will be -3, you know. PO4 has 3 minus, but it is HPO4. Then H is +1, then MHPO4 will be -2. -3 + 1 means -2. Then HPO4 is -2. Then metal will have +2. +2, correct? Hence the chloride will be, metal chloride will be MCl2. In MCl2, M is MCl2, M has 2 valency. Hence you can write MCl2, correct? Cl has 1 valency, you know, MCl2. Cross way, you have to check it. Then MCl2, M has 2 valency. Hence you can write chloride formula as MCl2. Hence option B is correct. Option B is correct answer. Okay. MCl2B, option B. Now I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Thank you.